How to save your story Instagram. Today guys I will show you how to save your story Instagram. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you wanna add a new story. Then you will choose a picture, for example. I will choose this picture. Then for example, I wanna use some filter. For example, I like this filter. Then when I finish, I wanna save it. And I don't want to post it. It's very easy. You just go up and click here on download. You click, then as you see, processing of photo saved. And that's it guys, it's very easy. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel and see you next video.